A day in the life. Every morning, I wake up and do yoga. First, I stretch my arms and legs, then I take a deep breath and relax. After that, I take a quick shower to feel fresh and awake. Next, I make breakfast. Today, I decide to have an avocado toast. It's healthy and delicious. I quickly eat my toast before heading out. I take a bus to my university. I am earning a master's degree in business administration. I have classes every morning, so I need to be on time. In the afternoon, I go to the gym. It's important to exercise and stay healthy. After a good workout, I feel energized. In the evening, I go out with my friends. We laugh and have a great time together. Sometimes, we eat some pizza at our favorite restaurant. When I get home, I watch an episode of my favorite series. It helps me relax and unwind after a busy day. Suddenly, I realize it's so late actually. It's already midnight. I need to go to bed soon. I fall asleep quickly, dreaming about the wonderful day I had. Tomorrow will be another busy day, but I'm ready for it.